Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So some of you out there have been asking me to do a teardown on the BGVP DMG, so the 6-driver in-ear earphone. Now I'm all for it. The only thing is I don't want to destroy these. So I actually went ahead and tried to open these up. And let me just show you quickly. So if you look on the earphone, you'll see a little notch all the way in the corner there. So I stuck a dentist pick in there, and surprisingly I got these open. So check this out. So the concern was that these earphones have only 5 drivers in there as opposed to the advertised 6 drivers. So I actually commented back on somebody's comment. I don't recall which one, but I basically said that a lot of times you have the dynamic driver that's comboed up as 2, so it's like it's kind of like a 2-in-1. So it kind of is 2 drivers. Now if you look closely here, you'll see that there are 4 BA drivers. So you got 1, 2, 3, and 4 BA drivers. The only misleading thing that I can see in the listings or some of the pictures, the advertisements, if you will, is that if you just bring up my mobile browser here, so if you look at the listing, you'll see that the BA drivers on the listing is kind of like the doubled up drivers. So you're supposed to have 4 of these, but if you look on the actual earphone, zoom in a little bit. If you look on the actual earphone, you'll only see that they're not doubled up. It's just 4 single BA drivers. They're not comboed up or anything of that sort. So you don't have four of these altogether. You just have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the only misleading thing that I can see in the actual earphone. Now, it would really hurt me to further. How should I say this? I don't want to damage these because I only have 1 pair. These are kind of pricey, so I also want to use them in some further comparison videos. So if I ever do create some comparison videos on other earphones, I still want to have these. So I don't want to completely break them. But if I do get enough, maybe if I do get enough likes on this video, I'll attempt to remove that dynamic driver all the way in the middle there. I'll pull it out, and I guess maybe I'll even cut it open to show you guys that. Basically, I'll cut it open to see for myself even if there are actually 2 dynamic drivers in that 1 driver. But otherwise, as you can see, you've pretty much got what's in the naked view. The naked eye view is you've got 4 BA drivers, and then you've got 1 dynamic driver, which is supposed to be comboed up as 2 drivers. So other than that, that's pretty much it, guys. Again, it would be a real shame to destroy these, so I'm going to hold off on that for now, unless I get enough requests for it. But otherwise, that's been it. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in my next one. Peace.